Hello guys, and welcome to another video.
Let it bang, bang.
So guys, this is my favourite peri peri recipe, and here are the ingredients we're going to use in this recipe. So we have black pepper, that's your standard ground black pepper guys. We've got ground white pepper. We've also got at the back here, which I've refilled in these jars I've reused. We've got garlic powder guys. We've also got chili powder. For those of you who don't like spice, of course you can take out the chili and have it as more of a sweet peri peri. We also have some organic apple cider vinegar, which mixes so well with sweet paprika and gives it such a tangy, fruity flavour. It's unbelievable guys. We've also got in here, this is Malden brand sea salt flakes. This is unrefined sea salt, which you want. You don't want that horrible iodised table salt, which we will talk about in another video. We've also got here extra virgin olive oil, as in the first video, cold pressed extra virgin olive oil, which retains all its nutrients. Absolutely brilliant flavour for this dish. And guys, this is my absolute favourite here guys. Lachinata paprika. This is absolutely phenomenal. Smoked paprika from Spain. It's got a vibrant red colour. It tastes absolutely amazing. The peppers are ground when they are so ripe. It is absolutely amazing. It makes other spices look washed out and orange. It is so red guys. This is absolutely beautiful. If you want to buy this, I recommend buying the refill bag, which is 500 grams, which is around £7. Because if you buy the tin, this little tin here, this fancy thing, is around £2 guys. So it's a lot of money, and you only get 70 grams in a small tin for £2. Whereas you can get 500 grams for £7 and clean your own jar and refill. So I really recommend this guys. There's no better paprika. It's the best in the world. So guys, let's start with the marinade. So I've got some extra virgin cold pressed olive oil to start with. Then we've got some of the ground black pepper in there. We've got the white ground pepper, about the same amount as white and black ground pepper. We've also got some chili powder. Now I like it quite spicy, so if you don't want to use the chili powder, you don't have to use that guys. We've also got the garlic granules. I like a lot of garlic personally, but I think you can adjust this recipe to your taste, so that's about enough garlic powder right there. We've also got smoked paprika. This is the lachinata, which I've put in a jar, as I have a stock in the cupboard of that because I love it so much and the taste is absolutely amazing. About equal amounts paprika to garlic. Now I'm also going to add a big pinch of the Malden sea salt, maybe a little bit more because I like salt and it tastes absolutely amazing. And next up, and finally, apple cider vinegar. So I would say guys, maybe double to 3 times the amount of apple cider vinegar. This gives it a great tang guys, absolutely unreal. And then we're just going to mix that together guys until we find the right consistency. Shouldn't be too watery, it should be rather quite thick to be honest, like a paste if I'm honest. A little bit water is okay. This feels pretty good, it's starting to thicken up, so that's great. Once we've done this guys, we're going to put this to one side and we're going to cut up this chicken. I've got a beautiful organic chicken from Tesco, which I'm going to show you next. So guys, this is the chicken we are going to use today. It cost me £8.88 on a deal from Tesco. It was originally £17.75. So at the end guys, I'm going to tally up the cost of this chicken and I'm going to use the full price, as it is not fair to use the reduced price. But guys, if you split this into 8 pieces, think about it, for a family, that's just a couple of pounds a piece. It's got non-GMO feed, it's organic, so that means that it's partly free range as well, and it's had natural behaviours, as well as the great diet, which has given it higher levels of omega-3. It's got a better nutrient profile, and this is the sort of chicken you want to feed your family guys. Okay guys, so let's cut this beautiful bird into 8 pieces. So let's start by going down the legs, clip the bone out, On the carcass, nice and easy. Keep pulling that bone out. So there's one leg. We'll then go between the other leg, guys. We slit it a little bit and then we pull the leg out. You pull that leg out. Pull the bone out. We'll then run our knife along the edge and that'll come off, guys. Look at that. It's your two legs there, guys. And then some people will use kitchen shears to do this, but you're okay with a knife. You just cut down the carcass and you can detach the backbone. So that's your carcass there, guys. So with the breasts, guys, and the legs, I like to take a different approach. I like to cut straight down the middle. I like to cut straight down the middle. And I like to cut the wing off as part of the breast. So here's the breast. So I'm going to cut around here, guys. That gives a lovely back part with the wing, my favourite part, to be honest. That's why I like to cut it this way. So there goes the front of the breast and the wing part and the back of the breast there. And then we're going to do the same here. And then we're going to... So there's your carcass there, guys. You've got your wing bits at the back here. Got the front bits of the wing, sorry, there. You've got the two wing back bits there. Now you've got the legs, guys. You're going to cut through the knuckle bone when you can find it, so you follow the line. And there we have fire and a drumstick, guys. And then we're going to do the same for this one. So got your fire and your drumstick there, guys. So you've got the carcass, your two wings and your two front breasts there. You've got your two drumsticks here, and you've also got your two thighs here, guys. So that is 8 portions and your carcass. So guys, the chicken has been rubbed up very well with the marinade. It smells absolutely brilliant. I can smell that tangy apple cider vinegar mixed with that paprika, the spices. I feel so hungry standing here right now. I've preheated the oven at 150 degrees Celsius or around 300 Fahrenheit. I will cook the chicken first of all for 20 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 Fahrenheit. This will give it that nice tender juiciness, and then I will turn it up to 250 degrees after 20 minutes for another 17 minutes. That's 250 degrees Celsius or around 480 degrees Fahrenheit if you use that scale. Okay guys, so the chicken's finished cooking, 38 minutes. It's crispy on the outside, nice and moist. It's important now to let it rest. I would let it rest for at least sort of half the cooking time, around 20 minutes. And just for the record, guys, I forgot, the paprika I've used is the Lacinata sweet paprika. The reason for this is you can add your own spice and it's a much sweeter pepper, so it mixes better with the apple cider vinegar. And like I just said, it allows you to mix your own chili to your own desired level. So guys, this is the finished product. It's absolutely fantastic. It tastes amazing. I hope you guys make this recipe, as this is my truly favourite marinade. I really hope you guys try this and let me know in the comments if you love it or if you made any changes you thought improved the recipe. I absolutely love this recipe, guys, and I'm happy to share it with you. And the cost of this, guys, is around £2.40 per piece of chicken. Now if you compare that to a McDonald's meal, which you're going to pay £5 for, say, for the average McDonald's meal, you can have this with rice and beans or whatever, flavoured rice, for around 50p more. So for under £3 you can have a highly nutritious meal. You can have organic rice, organic chicken, absolutely brilliant quality foods, the best for your body, better for the environment, and most people are paying £5 a day for meals in McDonald's, Subway. So guys, eat this food. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video today. Please like, subscribe and share.